To turn on or turn off appliances and other vibrate like microwave beeping, water running, and more in Samsung Galaxy S21, S21 Plus, or S21 Ultra. Open settings, swipe up home screen to access the home screen, and then select settings. You can also open settings screen from notification panel. Swipe the notification panel, and then tap settings icon. Scroll down settings screen, find accessibility, and then tap accessibility. Tap hearing enhancements, and then select sound notifications. Select settings, and then tap notification preference. And then on appliances and other, microwave beeping, water running, and more, tap vibrate switch until blue to turn on, or tap switch until gray to turn off. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.